Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let's understand what is underfitting and overfitting. When we train a machine learning model, we want to create a model that can predict accurately for new data. In order to test our model's performance, we split our data into training set and testing set. Training dataset is used to train the model, whereas the testing dataset is used to evaluate the model's performance. However, sometimes our machine learning model fails to make an accurate prediction, and this is due to underfitting or overfitting problem as model learns either too much or too little. Therefore, to make a good model, we must be careful to find out the right spot. What is underfitting? Underfitting occurs when a model is too simple to capture the underlying structure of the data. That means the model has a high bias and it fails to know the relationships between input and the output features effectively. The graph of underfitting goes like this. So as shown in this figure, the output result is so simple, that is a kind of a straight line. So it fails to capture the complexity of the data, and it misses the data, therefore it has large errors on both training and the testing dataset. The key features of underfitting are it has low training accuracy, low testing accuracy, it has high training error, and the model predictions are so simplistic, and underfitting occurs when there is a high bias. What is overfitting? Overfitting occurs when the model learns the training data so well, including noise and outliers. That is like the model memorized the training data instead of recognizing the patterns in the data. Therefore, it leads to poor performance to new test data. This happens due to high variance in the model. This is the graph of overfitting. It has high variance. Here, the model captures every training data point. Therefore, it is complex. Instead of capturing the true patterns, it also captures all the noise or the outliers. Key features of overfitting. Overfitting occurs when the model is too complex. When it has poor generalization, that is, it captures noise and outliers instead of true patterns in the data. Next is it has high variance and the model has too many features. So these are the characteristics of overfitting. The Bias-Variance Tradeoff explains why underfitting and overfitting happens. High bias, underfitting. So underfitting mainly occurs due to high bias. High bias means model makes strong assumptions about data and it fails to capture the patterns. Variance is low here because the model gives similar kind of outputs even if the input data changes. Therefore, underfitting it is equals to high bias and low variance. High variance overfitting. Overfitting is mainly caused by high variance. High variance means model is too sensitive to small changes in the data. It learns noisy patterns. It has low bias as the model is too flexible. Therefore, overfitting is low bias and high variance. Hence, from this we can understand that a good machine learning model is an optimal balance between bias and variance. Here is the underfitting, good fit and overfitting graph. And good fit curve means that it captures the data trend as well as it avoids the excessive complexity. So in good fit, it has a low bias and low variance. How to fix underfitting? For underfitting, we can increase the complexity of the model. We can add additional new features to improve learning. And if regularization is too strong, then it may simplify the model overly. Therefore, we should reduce the regularization. Next is some models may require more training period in order to learn patterns more effectively. So we have to train the data for longer. Last one is we can scale the features properly. How to fix overfitting? We can use more training data. We can apply regularization. We can perform feature selection. We can use early stopping. There can be cross-validation. We can simplify the model. Okay, that's all for overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. We understand that overfitting and underfitting are not useful for good machine learning model. Therefore, the goal is generalization, and hence the bias variance trade-off is an important part for machine learning model. And a good machine learning model is one that performs well on an unseen data by balancing both bias and variance. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.